First Lieutenant Valerie Salvino from Poblacion, Tumabenguet. I am a member of PMA Masiglawi Class of 2020, currently assigned here in 302nd Infantry Achiever Brigade and designated as Headquarters Commandant. So bilang babae sa Philippine Army, it often feels like a test of resilience and strength, but it also provides a unique perspective. I find pride in breaking stereotypes and proving na ang mga babae can also excel in this field. One of the main challenges na encounter ko is earning the respect of my male counterparts. Siyempre, masailan nga naman na merong babaeng leader. And meron din may mga misconceptions pagdating sa isang babae. So, I work hard to demonstrate my competence and commitment, showing that I can lead effectively regardless of gender. To overcome these challenges, nag-focus ako sa continuous self-improvement and skill development. I sought mentorship from senior officers, and nag-invest din ako ng time in building strong relationships with my personnel. Lagi ko silang kinakausap because I believe that open communication is the key. I encourage feedback and ensure na lahat ng personnel ay nararamdaman nila na napapakinggan sila and that they are valued. Over time, yung consistent performance ko has helped to break down barriers and build trust. My inspiration came from a desire to serve my country and make a difference. Growing up, I admired the dedication and commitment of military personnel. So nagsimula lang to sa curiosity. Then nag-build na siya na gusto kong maging part ng legacy na yun and to contribute to something greater than myself. The idea of leading and inspiring others in uniform truly resonated with me. What makes my career remarkable is the opportunity to continually learn and grow. May dalawa akong natutunan at lagi kong dinadala sa field na to. Learn as you go and always hit the ground running. Each challenge faced and each mission accomplished has shaped me into a stronger leader. Marami man akong challenges na napagdaanan, I ensure na na-overcome ko siya. And the relationship built with my fellow soldiers and the communities we serve enrich my life and provide a sense of fulfillment that is hard to match. Nagsisik ako ng advice and support sa aking mga senior officers. Mas marami silang experiences na pwede nilang ma-share sa akin na pwede ko rin ma-apply sa napagdadaanan ko o kung ano mang challenge na napagdadaanan ko. Also, lagi kong tinatandaan kung ano yung laging sinasabi sa amin nung kadete pa kami. Live one day at a time. Gaano man kahirap ang pinagdadaanan, lulubog at lulubog pa rin ang araw. At higit sa lahat, ang pananampalataya ko sa Panginoon. To young women considering a career in the military, don't let gender define your path. Your determination, skills, and passion are what truly matter. Embrace the challenges and know that your unique perspective can bring immense value. Believe in yourself and pursue your dreams fearlessly. To the youth, take the challenge. Join the Army. It's not just a career, it's an opportunity to grow, serve, and make a difference. The values you learn, discipline, resilience, and teamwork will serve you well in all aspects of your life. So step out of your comfort zone and embrace the adventure that awaits you. Take the challenge, join the Philippine Army.